Hello, doers. My name is Jose Ignacio. In this video, we're going to talk about credits and in app purchases. Did you know that Odoo offers in app purchases and services? Wild, right? Now, I know when I think of an in app purchase, I think of two things: cosmetics and premium currencies. But Odoo isn't like that. Odoo in app purchases are more about function, not about fashion. Instead of snazzy new outfits, you're going to get services provided by Odoo and third parties that enhance your business in a variety of ways. So, enough chit chat. Let's go check them out. In app purchase services, or IAP services, can be used to make it easier for you to manage your business, find new customers, stay in touch with contacts, and much more. So, here's a quick overview of the main services provided directly by Odoo. The very first one we have is document digitization. This uses AI to digitize scanned documents and PDF documents like vendor bills, expenses, and resumes. Then we have partner autocomplete. Automatically fills in contact records with known corporate data. Then we have SMS. This sends SMS text messages directly to your contacts from within the Odoo database. Then we have lead generation. Generates leads based on user set criteria and also converts web visitors into quality leads and opportunities. And we have snail mail. This is a fun name. This sends out invoices and follow up messages to customers by post worldwide. Of course, this is just a sample of the IAP services over here that Odoo offers. A full catalog, including third party integrations, can be found over here on iap.odoo.com. IAP services are automatically integrated with Odoo, and they don't require any extra configuration to work. You don't need to visit a separate interface to use IAP services. They just appear right inside the UI of the Odoo apps that offer in app purchases. For example, the SMS IAP service lives in the Contacts app because text messages are sent to contacts. And the lead generation IAP service, well, that lives in the CRM app because leads are part of the CRM pipeline. That makes sense, right? But how do you actually use these services? After all, IAP stands for in app purchase. What are we actually purchasing here? Well, I've got one word for you: credits. Odoo's IAP services use credits to do their thing, and every service has its own separately tracked credits. For example, that means that if you purchase SMS credits, they can only be used for SMS services, and they can't be spent on document digitization or snail mail services. The cost for credits varies from service to service, so be sure to check out iap.odoo.com to see the latest prices. You don't want to run out of credits when you're in the middle of work. So the database will automatically prompt you to purchase more credits when you don't have enough to finish a task. All right, let's go through the buying process now. So we're actually going to scroll down. We're going to open up our settings application. Because we're so efficient, we're going to type in a IAP crudely over here, small o doopsie, and we're going to select view my services over there. All right, so now that we've done that, this took us over to our IAP account page where you can see every IAP service that you've used and add ones that you haven't by clicking the new button up in the top left. We're going to do that. We're going to select new. This opens up the IAP account form. It's blank, but that's okay. We're going to click into the service field and we're going to select snail mail. Because what's more efficient than communication via mail delivered by gastropods? Absolutely nothing. Clicking the save button up at the top automatically fills stuff for us over there, like name and our description, and that makes it easier. If you happen to have multi company as your selection for your database type and you want to restrict which companies can use those precious snail mail credits, you could actually set that inside of our company field that we have below. Remember that for multi company databases. So inside of our email alert threshold over here, this field is kind of important because you can set the number of credits at which you want your database to send you an email reminder to get more. Finally, you can view your balance and purchase more credits by clicking the buy credit link over there. Clicking that link will take you to the purchase page for the specific credits that you want to buy. Remember, credits aren't interchangeable between IAP services. That is a Jose Ignacio disclaimer. All right, good stuff, right, Odooers? Credits and in app purchases are completely optional, but undeniably helpful as a way to enhance your communications with customers, increase leads and opportunities for your sales teams, digitize scan records, and so much more. You saw that page, it was big. You only need a few credits to give it a shot. So if you think your business can benefit from IAP services, give credit where credit's due and try them out. Until next time, Odoers, our snack today is a nice little magic spoon over here.